Hola chicas, so we're just going to have a look at the homework I asked you to have a look at over the weekend, okay? So first thing I asked you was had a look at these verbs here, just put them in the el futuro simple, the will future. So all you had to do here was you had to add on your endings, your e, es, a, emos, is, and. So that was your endings. So the verb literally stays the same for all the regular verbs, and you just simply add on the ending depending on the person. So for I is going to be E accent, U, A accent S, A accent, emos. Now that one does not have an accent. U plural, EIS, an accent on the E, and an accent on the A, and for they. So the verb just literally stays the same, and as you can see here, the verb bailar to dance, it's just you're just adding the ending on to the very end. Before we used to be, taking off the AR and adding the ending, but here we don't have to do anything, so the ending goes at the end of the verb. So here, I've just filled out the verbs estudiar, comer, vestirse. Estudiar just stays, sorry, my writing's a bit scribbly. Estudiar just stays the same the whole way down. So then you're adding on your E, AS, A, emos, is, en. So just adding on your endings. Same for comer. Comer stays the same the whole way down. And then you're adding on your E, AS, A. Remember, no accent on the EMOS, EIS, AN, and then so that's the same. And then for vestirse, the verb to get dressed. Now this one was a bit trickier, so you have to put the reflexive bits first. The me, te, so the bits to start. So me, te, say, nos for we, os for you plural, and se for they. The reason we're putting these at the start is because it's a reflexive verb and it's something you do to yourself. Like the example I always say is cop yourself on. So this is the same here. So you're saying I dress myself. So the bit there's the for the person. So I has meute. So then the verb vestir is just the vestir that stays in, and then you're adding on your ending. So the vestir is going to be the same the whole way down. Then you're adding on your ending. So I is going to be e accent, you a accent s. He, she, a accent. We, EMOS, no accent on the E. E accent, E accent, IS, and then A accent, N. So that was to do the reflexive verbs, okay? I also asked you to have a look at the translations below. So we're just going to run through these quickly, okay? So the first one, irán de vacaciones el mes que viene. So they will go on holidays. Now, just make a note here, el mes que viene is next month. And whenever you see something like that, you know that you're going to need the future tense, okay? Número dos, nos alojaremos en un albergue en el centro de la ciudad. So we will stay. Albergue here is a hostel, okay? Albergue is a hostel, okay? So, ¿a qué hora cenaréis el domingo por la tarde? So, at what time? Now, here, accent is you plural. So, what time will you, to a group of people, el domingo por la tarde, Sunday, por la tarde, afternoon or / evening. 4. Mi abuelo viajará en avión. So, my granny will travel by plane. Okay, this is the verb to travel. 5. No estudiamos el viernes por la noche. We will not study Friday nights, okay? We will not study Friday night. 6. Me levantaré tarde el próximo. So I will get up late next Sunday. That's the verb to get up, okay? You're going to see that in the next exercise, okay? 7. Comprarás, you will buy new clothes in a centro comercial. You will buy new clothes in the shopping center. Now, remember, mañana has two meanings in Spanish. Mañana can mean the morning. It also means tomorrow. So it depends on the context of the sentence. 8. Mandarán un WhatsApp a sus padres más tarde. So they will send, that's the verb to say, they will send a WhatsApp a sus padres to their parents later. Más tarde, here's later. Lo pasaré bien en la fiesta. Just remember, you're not going to hear, you see this E, you know it's I. I will have a good time at the party en la fiesta. And número 10, mi profesora, so my teacher, estará, so she will be angry. Enfadada. C, remember we saw C here, is without, if it doesn't have an accent on this I, it means if. If there's an accent on that I, it means yes. So My teacher will be angry if I don't do my homework. So there were your 10 there, okay? So hopefully you got on okay with that. If we turn over the page, what I want you to try today is two things. I want you to have a look at, try and translate these 10 sentences here, okay? I will spend a lot of time with my family, so that's easy. So I've just put the verb here is pasar, okay? So you're just adding on your ending. So you don't do anything, just add on your ending and translate the rest of it. He will learn Spanish. This is the verb aprender, yeah? So aprender, yeah? Vocabulario tonight, esta noche. Tres, my father and I will play badminton tomorrow. So that's going to be the verb jugar, okay? Tomorrow we seen it is going to be mañana. I will get up early. So we seen I will get up. So this is me levantar and you add on your ending. Mañana por la mañana. My sister will take photos. So yeah, the verb take photos is sacar fotos. Okay. I will eat lots of fruit. That's going to be the verb comer. She will buy. The verb to buy is comprar, C-O-M-P-R-A-R, and the present is un regalo. Will you go to the cinema this weekend? So the verb here is ir. I-R, the verb ir, okay? Al cine, in a weekend, they will practice. This is the verb practicar, okay? So you use practicar. The language now here, so I have to give you was el idioma. El idioma. Huh? El idioma. You will visitar. Will you visitar el museo? Yeah, during your holiday. So that's going to be the verb visitar. So try those 10, okay? See how you get on. And the other thing I want you to do is I want you to listen to this extract here. I'll send out the list and just write down the sentences in English, okay? So listen to the extract. I'll post the link to it and just write them in English, okay? Later on in the week, we might have a look at. I'm going to get you to send in maybe an oral recording of maybe 10 things you will do tomorrow. So, all I want you to do is I want you to do this. Try and translate these de inglés a español and listen to this extract, and I'll put a video up tomorrow. Okay. Muchas gracias, chicas.